E-commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, which implies the process of carrying out trading activities through electronic devices such as computers, laptops, tablets, mobile and other interconnected telecommunication network. Here the transaction between the buyer and seller is made electronically, and so physical interaction of the parties is the basic requirement is a website with the help of which the transaction can be proceeded. So it includes online shopping, online ticket booking, online banking, social networking. There are four types of e-commerce: business to business commerce, business to customer commerce, customer to business commerce, and customer to customer commerce. Business to business commerce is a process where the buying and selling of goods takes place between business houses such as manufacturers and supplier of goods. Business to customer commerce is one in which we have business firm on the one hand and customer on the other end. Customer to business commerce is a commercial transaction between customer and the business firm. Lastly, C2C is one where there is customer at both the ends. E-business. E-business expands to electronic business, which implies presence of the business firm and is not restricted to interaction with the customer and supplier. Indeed, it encompasses the interaction with different departments and employees within the organ. Hence, it includes e-commerce and other business activities such as accounting, production, finance, human resource, and so forth, which are conducted electronically. So, it includes intra-B-commerce and B2 e-commerce, that is business employee commerce, other types of e-commerce. Basically, there are two types of e-business: pure play and can click. Pure is that form of e-business in which the business operates in online mode only, whereas brick and click is that form of e-business in which the business operates both on offline mode. Difference between e-commerce and e-business. Meaning, when the trading of goods and services takes place over internet through electronic devices, it is called as e-commerce, whereas when the business activities are conducted electronically, it is called as e-business. When it comes to scope, the scope of e-business is wider in comparison to e-commerce because e-business covers e-commerce also. Money must be involved in an e-commerce transaction, but e-business involves monetary transactions and allied activities. The first and foremost requirement of e-commerce is a website to represent the company on the internet. Nowadays, mobile applications are also becoming an important requirement for e-commerce transactions to expand their reach. On the other hand, e-business requires a website and software packages like ERP, CRM, etc. for conducting business activities with the help of electronic devices. When it comes down to network, e-commerce requires internet to connect the company with the rest of the world. As against, e-business requires networks like internet, intranet and extranet. Lastly, e-commerce has an extroverted approach as it deals with external parties only like customers, suppliers and distributors. On the contrary, the approach of e-business is ambiverted because it deals with internal parties such as employees along with external parties such as customers, suppliers, distributors, creditors and so forth. Well friends, this brings me to the end of this lesson. I hope you find the lesson very useful. I'm sure that all your doubts regarding the difference between e-commerce and e-business are cleared now. However, if you want to study the topic further in detail, you can visit our official website. I'll be back soon with a new lesson. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.